Adding smart home technology doesn't have to be a complicated task. No matter your tech skill level, there is an upgrade project for your home that you can install on your own. If you're wanting to add some smart technology to your home without the hassle, here are some easy install ideas. Smart speakers. If you're wanting to invest in some easy-to-install smart home technology, a voice-activated smart speaker is a perfect place to start. These devices connect to your other smart devices like thermostats or security hubs so that you can control them with a simple command. Smart speakers are also great for entertaining and for enjoying your favorite media. If you get a phone call and aren't near the remote, you can tell your smart speaker to pause or mute your TV. You can request your favorite song while cooking dinner and do all kinds of other convenient and fun things with a simple setup. Smart bulbs and dimmers. Smart bulbs and dimmers come with a plethora of helpful features and are easy to install. For example, you can adjust the lighting with a smartphone app or with a central hub device. Set timers for automatically turning off or changing light conditions from anywhere in the home. You can also program smart bulbs to turn off automatically when somebody leaves the room. No more forgotten light switches. Even when away from home, you can control the lights at home, making it safer and more convenient. Simple home security. There are two types of smart home security that are easy to set up yourself: smart locks and video cameras. Changing the locks on your doors might not be allowed if you're renting, and depending on the door hardware, it might take a bit of effort to do. However, there are smart lock options that work with the existing hardware to make it much simpler. This smart technology lets you change the locks and keys to the entire house without replacing the hardware. Simple video cameras with paired monitors are some of the easiest self-install technology you can add to your home. You can record footage and check in live to see what's going on outside your door. You can spot delivery people and any dropped-off packages, as well as potentially nefarious characters who might pose a threat to your home security. These are just a few options for smart home technology you can install on your own. However, if you feel overwhelmed, there's no shame in hiring a professional to help you get the most out of your new tech.